All right, guys, so I got the set of mats for the Honda Odyssey. I have the 2026 model. And this is the set. So the passenger, driver's side, then the middle row, back row, and the cargo space or the trunk area. And it also has these side covers. I was wondering what they kind of look like. And these have the Velcro attached to them. So you're going to have stick this on there and stick this side to the floor or the threshold area in the car. So let's check out how that looks in the car installed. So cargo space, a thinner mat, but it's still pretty good quality, seems like. The mats that are stepped on are a little bit thicker. Standard size or standard thickness that I would expect. It's got the nice ridges over here when it's wet outside or snowy. So it's pretty cool design, and it looks like it's gonna work out. It's got these areas for the original knobs that come in the Honda floors. It's what they look like in the back or on the bottom side of them. Okay, so install these in the car, and I can tell you I'm really impressed with the fit here. Look how nice and snug it is, all in there perfectly. Beautiful. That's the most important thing for me. Also on this side, I attached this cover. It's, like I said, it's Velcro. So you'll put the adhesive, remove the adhesive backing, and then to remove it, you'll just remove it with the, like if you need to clean it, you can see it's already attached like that. So you just remove the backing from the back of this, and that covers that side. So I put it here. This goes right over it. There's the back row. Look how nice and snug it is. Definitely will protect your original floors, carpets in here. Now this is the driver's side also. Very nice and snug. These here are the original covers or the brackets that hold the mats. On this side also Velcro. Keeps it down and nice. So if you need to remove these, you can always do that. Passenger side in the front. And this is the cover that will go under here, but I'm not gonna use this. I think this is plenty for me, and this is the original plastic door molding here, and I'm gonna keep that. But you can cover this, put it under here, and have it fully covered and protected. I like that very much. This I did not attach yet, so you can see the difference without it. So this is the original plastic right here. If you don't care for protecting it with that piece, you can just leave it like that. But like you saw on the other side, I have this attached, and it doesn't, doesn't pop out. The door closes very well without extra stress or any interference. So overall, I'm very happy with the set. Once again, the back row, and let me show you the trunk. And here it is. Also a very nice, perfect fit. Very cool. Happy with this setup.